Dude, that got so loud.
Well, we're gonna need another motor. Okay, so we're back on the apple sucker today. I went to the dump the other day hauling trash off. Scored this beauty. It's missing some parts. The carburetor's gone. I also scored this one out here. That thing there. It's got a carburetor that we can use on it. So we're gonna try to make one run here. But first we're gonna see if this one's even good. So we'll strap it down, squirt a little gas in it, and see if it'll pop so that we know we're not wasting our time.
That was easy.
Yeah. We'll put a carburetor on that thing.
Dude, that thing is sweet.
Oh, there's bees. I should have checked for bees a little bit, I guess. All right. Will it bolt up? That's gonna make the carburetor crooked, isn't it? We'll see. Probably ought to clean this carburetor. It's got gas in it.
Oh, that's probably good.
Oh man. Yeah, it smells great. Okay, that's not gonna work. We may be going to my dad's to hunt parts. I wonder what my kids have over in their stash of stuff. Let's go look. Yeah, that, I don't know, it has some little angle thing that comes down. That's a possibility. I don't see anything that we need in there. Check out that thing they got.
That was pretty cool.
Yeah.
Like a little 2-cycle
Yep.
bike. It's a kit you put on the bike?
I guess. Their uncle gave that to him. Maybe we'll go up and look at my dad's and see what he has there. Possibly might be some junk over
This. Right there. That's it.
there. That's it, isn't it?
That is. That's the angle and it has the flat piece.
Yep, that's it. We'll go in and find some tools.
Is that rebar?
Yeah.
Holy smokes.
He's not even in here. I don't know where he's at.
He's hiding. Cool wood chop.
Yeah, that's where he builds all his toys. I don't know where his torque stuff is. This is the toolbox I used to dig all my stuff out of. And he used to get mad because I lost all his tools.
Like your kids do to
Exactly.
yours? And my kids do to mine?
There we go. He's had that ratchet for like ever.
One you didn't lose. Nice.
There's a little debris in there. This one's gonna, oh no. Hopefully that other carburetor we can make work. Because this one's got broken parts in it. The fuel inlet thing's broken. I don't even think my mom's seen us come in the yard. I think she's seen us. We could rob her whole yard and she wouldn't even know it. Yeah, it's definitely got a nut on it. I need that. Oh well, we'll just set it to a certain throttle and let it go. Just under blowing up is where we want it. I think that fixes us. Well, it's gonna work. I think we're gonna use this bigger carburetor. We're gonna do some checking here. When you're working on carburetors, you have to use precise tools. Nothing like having 40 of different bolts to put a carburetor together, but they're actually the same size, aren't they? So we need that carb hooked to that thing, like so. Okay, we're just gonna clean this carburetor, and it's gonna work. Thing's gonna run perfectly. All right, back together it goes. See where I put that piece? Just like that, gone.
It was all here.
Oh, it's right there in front of us. It's a tight fit right there. So hopefully the dump fine motor will get my apple sucker up and running, because I got a serious amount of apples on my lawn right now.
True. There's a lot of.
And if I'm gonna mow it, I gotta get them off of it. Okay, that's definitely the carb setup we were after. We gotta have a 90 on that. What's that? The other one out here have on it. Let's go look at it. It's got one on it. That's weather check like a bugger. What do you think the likelihoods of that coming off are? Wow.
We need some epoxy.
7-minute epoxy.
7. Oh, even better. That is pretty amazing stuff in general.
It really is. My kid's dirt bike. They poked a hole in the bottom of the case, and I didn't have a TIG welder at the time. We ground it up, cleaned it up good, and we're riding it still. Busy.
They're happening.
It's starting to set. I think it's where it needs to be, and the crack on the top seems to have enough in it. Oh yeah, it's setting now. Okay, it's all done but the crying. We'll just let it go. I'll clean my screwdriver off before it's too late. Let her set, bolt it on. This thing won't work.
It's a cool little gun.
It is. I don't even know 100% sure if all this work's worthwhile.
That's true.
Probably ought to change the oil at least. We put some in that last one and look where it got us.
That's true, that's true. It did.
Everybody's like, oh, you should check the oil. We did check the oil.
And we even put new stuff.
And it still blew up.
It still knocked to the moon.
All right, it's been patiently waiting here. We're going from a 13 horse to a 10, but if it runs, it's better than not. That thing's heavy, in case you're wondering. Look at that. What did they do?
What did they do?
Kids is all you can explain.
How funny is that?
One junker done. Yeah, this motor, it wants to run, I can tell.
Oh, yeah.
Push on that adjuster just for a second. Okay, it'll hold itself down.
Oh, yeah.
We don't have very much gas to play with.
Do we want to
Maybe.
set it on the ground?
I think we're just gonna strap it down right here. I'll go grab the barrel.
Phil.
Alright. We need a little bit of starting fluid to get her primed up and oh yeah, it's puking fuel all over. I tried to get a hose clamp on it.
Oh, holy smokes, it's really...
I told you it was puking fuel all over. It's everywhere. I don't know how to deal with that. I got gas everywhere, man. And at least we don't have very much gas.
Yeah.
This is dumb. This is not gonna fit. It's gonna break that thing off trying to tighten it. This is ridiculous.
I need a bigger bolt.
Yeah. I got that one tightened down. Well, we're gonna be out of gas. Ow! Woo, that one's got some tension on it. Just in case you're wondering. Well, same problem. There's fuel running down my arms. And I don't even understand why there's a fuel pump on this thing. At least now when we start it, we'll catch on fire.
Blow
How'd you burn your shop down? Well, we were working on the apple sucker and backfired and burnt the shop down.
How's that looking? Better?
I don't know.
Now?
Trying it. Still vacuum? Not much. A little. Oh, very little. That's not going to suck an apple up. It does run.
Yeah.
We accomplished that out of a dump motor, but it's really not the purpose was to make it run. The purpose was to suck apples. We need more vacuum or more RPMs. One of the two. more vacuum than that. I think those are like Levi's.
Old jeans.
My dad made them. We're not sucking dirt.
Mm-hmm.
Let's take the filters clear off. Give it a test run. That will eliminate that, right?
Yep. Flowing faster. So
I'll go get some tires. We're gonna cut that thing off the end. I think we want just a straight hose. All right. Our test fruit, which I don't think there's any way that it's gonna suck that out. Not gonna do it, man. Like barely. We need more speed. Okay. The apple sucker has been a pain in my butt. It's the only project that sucks that won't suck. So my buddy Scott hooked me up with this bad boy. I think we're gonna have to put a diesel engine on it.
holy cow!
It's all there. That's a big
Dude,
blower.
it's huge.
So it's a 50 horse blower. I don't have a 50 horse motor, but we got a diesel. I got a 2-cylinder Deutz. We're gonna throw at it and see if we can suck apples. That's the plan.